What's going on, guys? Chad here at MarineMax Jupiter. Today we're on Sea Gray's 19 SPX. We're gonna get right into it. So on the transom, this boat's equipped with a 150 Mercury 4-stroke engine. This boat is optioned with the stone interior. This boat has a bimini top. This boat actually has both the essentials bundle and the entertainment. You're gonna get your glue down sea deck on the transom here. You're gonna get upgraded speakers, upgraded upholstery, stainless steel components, as well as the upgraded simrad. That's gonna be your 9-inch simrad at the helm here. At the helm, you also have your fusion radio, all your switches, your throttle on the starboard side, cup holder just below the ignition. You also get your 10-inch subwoofer here. This boat has a bow filler cushion up in the front, part of the essentials bundle. 2 fusion speakers up in the front, as well as grab handles on either side for whoever's sitting port or starboard. There is a anchor locker up in the front for your bow anchor. Back at the helm here on the port side, you have more storage. Storage up at the top, storage inside here. Wouldn't be a bad place to stow anything you want to keep dry. Another cup holder. On the port side, you have your filler cushion in right here. This is the optional lounger. 2 cup holders on that side as well. In the center here, which goes almost the full length of the cockpit, you're gonna have more index storage. Storage underneath just about every seat on this boat, as well as a very large, for a 19-foot boat, storage locker. You have storage on either side. That's gonna conclude the walkthrough video today on Sea Gray's 19 SPX.